Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set haptics vibration to play or don't play in silent mode on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, in here, go down and tap on Haptics. From the menu here, you could choose Play in Silent or Don't Play in Silent. So what this Play in Silent mode does is that haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert while in silent mode. If you choose Don't Play in Silent, then haptics will not play when iPhone rings or receive an alert while in silent mode. And that's it. So select one of the options here. And then we're going to tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.